Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer reveals the only way out to save Nnamdi Kanu out of detention. One of Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, Ejiofor, has stated that supporters of the embattled indigenous people of Biafran, IPOB agitators, should not just expect Nnamdi Kanu to walk away from detention without any sound proof. According to Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, a legal attorney to Nnamdi Kanu urged that though Nnamdi Kanu is still under the custody of the DSS, they shouldn't look at him as a convict, but rather they should still look at him as someone with hope, because he still have the hope of leaving that detention because he has no case. You could recall that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was arrested by the Kenya Special Police, detained for 8 days with hard torture before extradited and handed over to the Nigerian government. Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer has now come out strong to say that the time has come for Nnamdi Kanu to be released, but with some sense of belonging. Violence, danger, killing, and unnecessary noising cannot bring Nnamdi Kanu out of detention. Nnamdi Kanu personally know all of this, and that is why he ordered for a shutting down of the sit-at-home order. The only way out of this issue is IPOB should remain calm. We are on point. We are ahead of the federal government, and they know that. We have all the necessary documents to get Nnamdi Kanu out of detention. Let us not cause more harm or more problem for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu have a upper hand. That is why the federal government are delaying the trial. So they on their own side are still working around to see for more charges they can levy on Nnamdi Kanu. But I know as Nnamdi Kanu's counsel that they will never see. So my dear IPOB members, remain calm and see how things will work out for good. Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer warned. You see, a word they say is enough for the wise. Yes, I know that you guys are fighting for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I know that you guys are agitating for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I know that it is because of Nnamdi Kanu that you guys are doing all of these things. But not doing it well can lead to more trouble and more problems. That is what Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer is trying to say. Unnecessary agitations, causing of war and violence cannot save Nnamdi Kanu out of detention. Nnamdi Kanu on his own has already seen everything coming. That is why he ordered for an immediate shutdown of the sit-at-home order, because he have seen that the sit-at-home order alone is already causing the death of some Biafrans, which is not good. It's not good. So if that can cause the death of our own, is it not better that we close it up and think of something better? So the idea that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu brought is the best. That when it is time for his trial, then everyone can stay at home and observe the trial. Watch it on telly. The ones that can make it to Abuja should come over and observe it. Do you understand? That is the best. So I don't know why we are getting it so wrong when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is saying that let us all sit at home. It's not a problem. It's not. Nnamdi Kanu is avoiding that idea of creating more problems. He doesn't want that. He doesn't at all. That is why he's calling on us all. He's calling on us all to be careful and take cognizance of what is happening. He's not happy that he's in that detention, but he just wants to be careful and be watchful. He doesn't want to add to the 11 count charges that has been levied on him, though he knows that all those charges are a mere allegation, but then you still need to be calm and be careful. Do you understand? And be careful. All right, my dear viewers in the house, based on this very fact, what do you think? What's your take? Please and please and please, you will still be appreciated. Okay, so please, if you're new, don't forget to leave your comments below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos.